sometimes when you are screwing in your heels, it can cause the outside of the heel to sort of bow open a little bit. So do you see how that one's a little bit sort of tighter, more in line with the shape of what the last was? And this one's kind of bowed outwards and is kind of quite wide at the back there. Sometimes this happens because the counter stiffener underneath has caught the screw, and as we're screwing in the screw, it's kind of bending the counter stiffener a little bit, creating that bowing. It is so easy to fix though, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to grab our last, and we're going to grab the heat gun as well. So I'm going to start by heating the outside and the inside around the whole back of the last. The back of the shoe. The point is to sort of reheat that counter stiffener, and then we'll put it back in the last to take its shape again. With that in mind, keep the heat gun moving quite a lot because we don't want to like burn the leather or the lining for that matter. So sometimes when you heat it like this, it almost makes it worse, and that's good because it gets a bit worse before it gets better. We want it to be nice and flexible like that is now, and then we can get the last back in there. You do want to move sort of quickly with this and really making sure that we are smoothing it onto the last so that it's really taking the shape of the last again. And that is beautifully taking the shape of the last.